And welcome back, continuing the news. In this week's edition of A Ray of Hope, the inspirational story of a disc jockey from Guyana who maneuvers the turntables with his feet. Kayan Morgan reports.
If you're on social media, then probably you've come across a few videos of a man around a turntable selecting music with his feet. He's a 34-year-old Norris Cummings, better known as DJ Foot. He's from New Hope, Guyana, and has cerebral palsy. He's also an entrepreneur.
I sell credit and I do printing and photocopying.
However, when he's not running his business, he's at a party entertaining patrons. It's a passion he inherited from his father.
My father was a DJ back in the days, like in the 80s, 70s, where you had to use turntable and I think cassette at that time. Since I like music like that too, let me try with my feet.
He's been playing for about 4 years. However, he recently showcased his talent online after a family member encouraged him to share his gift with the world.
We gotta let people see what you are capable of.
But Norris says even though it's a hobby, it's difficult.
Persons that are so-called normal would normally fight you down. No, you can't do this.
Nonetheless, Norris was persistent in making his name. He started gaining traction after securing a job at a radio station. The feedback he has gotten since has motivated him to push even further.
When you go in at the party and you see the people then just enjoy themselves and come up and tell you that you know say you're bad.
He used to move about on his knees, and in the community here, he used to use a wheelchair around the street. And he was so determined that at 12 years, he decided that he must go on his foot.
He's also certified in IT and graphic designing.
Those are like my hands. I could write with my foot. I could eat with my foot.
Norris, who wishes to one day visit Jamaica, says he's been getting a lot of support from Jamaican artists. He hopes to one day change the perception about people living with disabilities.
Once you got life and you put your head to something, you could achieve anything.
With a ray of hope, I'm Kayan Morgan.